Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe the channel if you're new here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a header in Brizy. Just look at here, start building your page, press the button about to add blocks. So we just press the button here and create your own. Now here we're going to put some containers so that we can put elements in the header. There you can design the header in many different ways, but one of the element is mandatory, or I would say 90% of the header is menu. So we start making the container first, and in this header we're putting 3 menus. Usually in any header you don't see 3 menus, but here we're going to make 3 of them to just being a little bit creative, so that you have the idea how many ways you can actually do the work. So here you can see 2 of them, and I just bring another one. So in this 3 I'm going to I just delete this one. So now I have 3 containers, and each of the containers will contain, I just make another copy here, and this one I'll put an image element, and here we're going to put our logo, and let's say this is our logo. I mean, just bring and put any logo you have already. Just delete this one, and then in these 3 containers there will be 3 different types of menus. So start building, just bring the menu and put it here, and just go here and go in this option, go here, and here you can see the menus, and you bring the front menu, and here we also bring another menu, and then we change it to bottom menu, maybe shift menu, and the last one we're bringing another menu, and maybe this time I would like to get a menu as a rest page. And here this menu hasn't been created yet. You can see the empty things. That means a menu has been created as a rest page, but there is no item like this one. So we're going to change it. So there can be a mistake that you have a menu but there is no item, so instead we just keep this one, booking. So now you can see that you can bring it, and this is your header. Now your header has 3 menus. Usually in a header there is we don't keep so many options. I just show you that in the header you can put as many menus as possible, and maybe by this way you can design it in your own way. Thank you very much for watching.